Chapter 18, Animals Around Us. We find so many different kinds of animals around us. Some are big and some are small. The animals that we keep at home are called pet animals. They are our playful companions. Do pet animals have a different kind of body than other animals? Let us look at some common pets and their body parts. Kitten. Ear, eyes, nose, whiskers, mouth, tail, fur, paw, claws. Dog. Skull, neck, back, tail. Hawk, elbow, knee, toes, forearm, wrist. Muzzle, cheek, shoulder. Bird. Beak, feathers, claws. We use some animals at home because they do useful work for us. Such animals are called domestic animals. However, some animals live in forests. They are called wild animals. Types of animals. Very big animals. Giraffes and elephants are very big animals. The largest living bird is the ostrich. The African elephant is the largest land animal. The blue whale is the largest animal in the sea. Big animals. Some animals are big. Giraffes, zebras, cows, buffaloes and hippopotamus are some examples of big animals. Small animals. Some animals like ants, rats, cats, squirrels and rabbits are small animals. Birds. Most birds can fly. They have 2 legs and wings. Wings help them to fly. Some birds can swim. Insects. Insects are very tiny animals. They have 6 legs. They have 2 feelers called antennae. Body of all insects are soft with no bones. Their body is divided into 3 parts: head, thorax, and abdomen. Insects like houseflies, cockroaches, and beetles can crawl as well as fly. Butterflies and mosquitoes can fly but do not crawl. Life cycle of a butterfly. A butterfly goes through various stages before turning into the butterfly we see around us. Let us learn about those stages. Eggs. Adult butterflies lay their eggs on leaves. Larva, caterpillar. Eggs hatch into caterpillars called larvae. The larva feeds on the leaves. Pupa. The larva hangs itself upside down and forms a hard case around itself called chrysalis and rests. Pupa. In the pupa stage, the larva undergoes changes and becomes into a butterfly. Adult butterfly. Larva. A larva or caterpillar soon comes out. It breathes through its skin and uses its antenna to move around, as its eyes are very weak. It becomes so fat that it has to shed its skin and take on a new one. This goes on till it enters the pupal stage after 2 weeks. Pupa. The pupa wraps a fine fiber around itself that forms a cocoon. At this time, the animal inside the cocoon is like a liquid. Every part of it gets rearranged. Adult. When the adult is ready to come out, the cocoon breaks open. What comes out is not a caterpillar, but a pretty butterfly. It has colorful wings to fly. It can suck nectar from flowers. Moth, mosquito, silkworm, and beetle have a similar life cycle. However, mosquitoes lay their eggs on the surface of still water. Habitats. Animals need a home to protect themselves from heat, cold, rain, and other animals. They also need rest. Some animals choose natural places as their shelters. Some animals live both in water and on lands. Crocodile, turtle. We make home for pet and domestic animals. We make kennels for dogs and stables for horses. How do animals move? Animals move in search of food and shelter. They move in different ways. Animals like cows, horses, cats and dogs have 4 legs. They use all their legs to walk and run. These animals use horns to protect themselves. Kangaroos hop and frog jump. Insects and tortoises crawl. Snakes do not have feet. They crawl on the land. Animals that live in water do not require legs. Fish swim in water with the help of fins and tail. Ducks swim in water with their webbed feet. Turtles have pedal-like limbs to push water and to swim. Animals have a tail. A cow uses it to drive away flies. A monkey uses its tail to swing from one branch of a tree to another. A kangaroo uses its tail to jump long distances. A squirrel uses it to climb tree. Water animals use their tails and fins to swim. Food habits of animals. Animals cannot prepare their own food. They depend on plants and on other animals. Plant-eating animals. Some animals eat only grass and plants, such as cows, horses, rabbits, elephants, and giraffes. They are called herbivores. They have special teeth. Flesh-eating animals. Animals like tigers, lions, wolves, etc. eat flesh of other animals. They are called carnivores. They have sharp teeth. Snakes swallow their prey whole. Frogs and lizards use their long sticky tongue to catch insects and swallow them. Plants and flesh-eating animals. Some animals that eat both plants and flesh of other animals, such as bears, crows and ants, they are called omnivores. Many birds eat seeds and fruits as well as insects. Other animals. Other animals like hyenas and vultures eat flesh of dead and decaying animals. By doing so, they help to keep the environment clean. They are called scavengers. Extinct animals. Animals that have already disappeared from the earth are called extinct animals, such as dinosaurs. Animals and human beings. We should be kind to animals as they are also living beings like us. A good home should be made for them, and it should be kept clean. Let's remember, animals are of different shapes and sizes. Some animals are very big and some are very small. Animals live on land, in water, on trees, and both on land and in water. Animals move in different ways. They crawl, swim, walk, hop, or fly. Animals which are about to become extinct are called endangered animals.